Newton's law of motion. So first of all, we will learn some of the basic concepts like what is force. Force is push or pull upon the object which can change shape, size, and common acceleration of body is known as force. There are contact force and non-contact force. Contact force are in contact or uh, in touch or in contact are called contact force. And non-contact force are such as magnetic and gravitation. There are the four types of force are gravity, electrostatic, weak nuclear, and strong nuclear. After that, we will learn three laws of motion. First law. First law is also known as inertia. The first law is a body continues to be in rest on in motion until or unless external force is applied. Example, when we kick a ball, we give a, the ball will move because we are giving an external force. If the ball will be in the rest, it will be in the rest until or unless external force will apply. Now, second law, rate of change of momentum in respect to time, and formula is F is equal to ma. Example, when a fielder catch a ball, he moves his hand backward because to decrease the force. After that, we will learn third law. Third law is every action have equal and opposite reaction. Example, when soldier fires, then the bullet goes in straight direction and the guns come in backward direction. After that, we will learn what is impulse. Impulse is when force act on a body for a short time is called as impulse. When when we kick a ball, when we are giving the force to the ball for a short time, that is impulse. Now we will learn free body diagram. So we have inclined plane. So we have the block up. We will draw the free body diagram of this block. So we will take it upward. It will come normal force, and downward it will come mg as a gravity. Now we will take one more example. We have the block. Now we'll draw the free body diagram. We know that upward it will come normal force and downward it will come mg. After that, we will learn application of NLM. Application of first law. So we have the block of the 5 kg. This is T, and downward it will come mg. So to find T, we have T is equal to mg, and now we'll put value. We will get 5 into 10, and we will get T as a 50. And now second law is denoted as acceleration. So we have the 4 kg block, and the force is N. So the 4 kg, now there is 4 kg block, and F we have N. To find acceleration, we have F is equal to ma. And now we'll put value. F we have 8n, m we have 4, and we want to find acceleration. So now we'll solve it. We will get 8 by 4, 4 to the 8. So our acceleration will come 2 meter per second square. And we will go to another third law. So action and reaction pair. So we have the block upward n and downward mg. So to find n, we have n is equal to mg, and now we put value. We will get 4 into 10, n is equal to 40. Now we will run system. So we have the 5 kg block attached to 8 kg block, and 8 kg block attached to 2 kg block, and force is equal to 5n. So we have F external is equal to ma. So the mass will calculate the mass of the full string, we will get 10. So the F is 5n, and to find acceleration, we know that F is equal to ma. So F is 5n, F is we have 5n and m 10 into a. So now we'll solve it, we will get a 10 by 5 2. So our a will get 2 meter per second square. Now we'll go to another topic, pulley. Pulley system. This is not an equilibrium, so we will use the second law of motion. So we have the pulley, capital M, and here we have small m. So acceleration of capital M will go downward. So capital M is greater than small m. Capital M. Now we'll draw the free body diagram of capital M. So downward A, upward T, and downward mg. So we get mg minus T is equal to ma. Now we'll draw the free body diagram of small m. Upward it will come T, and downward mg. So we will get T minus mg is equal to ma. From this we will solve it. We will get T as 2 small m capital Mg small m plus capital M, and we get small m minus capital M here G capital M plus small m. Now we'll take example. So we have the pulley, 6, and here 2. So T. So we have the formula to find T. We have T is equal to 2m capital Mg small m plus capital M. Now we'll put value. We will get 2 into 6 into 2 into 10. So 2 plus 6. Now we'll solve it. We will get T is equal to 240 by 8. 8, 8, 30. So we'll get 30. So now we want to find A. So we have to find A, we have m small m minus capital M G upon capital M plus small m. Now I'll put value. We will get 6 minus 2, and we know the value of G 10. Now we have 6 plus 2. So if we will solve it, we will get 40 by 8. 8 2 10 2 5. So we'll get A as a 5 meter per second square. Now we'll go to our another topic, inclined plane. Inclined plane. So you have the inclined plane. The block upward it will, we know that upward it will come in, and downward it will come mg. So here mg sine theta, and here mg cos theta, and here it is theta. So F external equal to mg sine theta. So ma is equal to mg sine theta, and A will get A g sine theta, and n mg cos theta. So on this we will solve example. So we have inclined plane, the block of 3 kg. So we have theta 30 degree. We want to find A, and we want to find n. So we know that the A is equal to g sine theta. So we know the value of G is 10. So now we put value, we will get 10 into And on the place of theta, we will take 30 degrees. So sine 30, we will get 1 by 2. Now we'll cut it, we will get, we'll get A as a 5 meter per second square. And now we'll find N. So we know that N we have, so we have get mg cos theta. Now we'll put value, we will get 3 into 10 into root 3 by 2. Now we'll solve it. From this we will get n as a 15 by root 2 Newton. Now we'll go to another topic, pulley trick. This is a moving pulley. So all the velocity will be in the same direction. All the velocity in the same direction. And we want to find VC. So we got VC as a V1 plus V2 by 2. So from that we will solve example. We have on this direction. Here it is 2 meter per second. This rope is pulling 2 meter per second, and this goes as a 4 meter per second. And we want to find VC. So we know that we have the VC as V1 plus V2 by 2. Now we'll put value, we will get 2 plus 4 by 2. So we have 6 by 2, 2 3s. So we got 3 meter per second. After that we will go to our another topic, heavy rod. We have the heavy rod, here C, here B, and here A. Block is capital M and the heavy rod is small m. The string I will also mass this A to B, we will consider m by 2. So we got TA is equal to capital MG, and TB we will get capital M plus m by 2 G, and TC we will get capital M and small g. Now we will go to our another topic, Lami's theorem. So we have, so here alpha, beta, and gamma. So here F1, F2, and F3. It tells us that F1 by sine alpha, F2 by sine beta, and F3 by sine gamma. Now we'll solve the example. We have and here the block of the 4 kg. We will consider this T1, this T2, and this T3. So here it will come 90 degree, and here we have 60 degree. So opposite. So here it will come alternative. So it will come 60, and here it will come 120, and we will calculate it all. We will get 150. Downward of 4 kg block, we will get mg. So and the F we have 40n. So we will take, well, we will get T1 by sine 90, T2 by sine 150, and T3 sine 120. So we'll consider these two. So T1 and sine 90, we know that 1, and T3 40, downward to column, so it will come 40. and sine 120 is root 3 by 2. So T1 is 40 root 3 and the 2 will come upward, it will convert into it will 80 by root 3 Newton. Now we will go to another topic, Newton's mass versus weight. So we have the lift, the man it is in the rest, so acceleration is 0. When the lift is in the rest, we doesn't feel our body heavy or light. Another lift, when it goes upward, then when the lift is moving upward with a acceleration, the body or a person felt himself heavy. So n minus mg is equal to ma. Sir, g plus a. Downward a acceleration. So when the lift moving downward with a acceleration, the body or the person felt himself light. Get n plus mg is equal to ma, and n is n mg minus a. So we go to another topic, string and spring. So string is existable. Sorry, the string is inexhaustible and massless, and the spring is existable and massless. मतलब string खींची नहीं जा सकती और जो spring होती है वो खींची जा सकती है. So here is the natural spring, and here we have x when we putting external force. So formula for spring, Fs is equal to minus k delta x. K delta x. After that, we will take example. So, so we have the pulley here, 2 kg block and 3 kg block. So to find T, we know that T is equal to capital M, small mg, capital M plus small m. So now we'll put value, we will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 10 by 2 plus 3. So after we will solve it, we will get 24 Newton. And Fs, our Fs is 2T. So Fs we will put value, we will get 2 into T. So T will we get 24. So we will get 48 Newton. After that, delta xk and 48 n. So now I'll put value delta x and value of k we have 100. So 48 n delta x. If we will solve it, we will get 0.48 Newton. Now उसके बाद हम so now we'll start our another topic, spring. So we have the parallel combination and series combination. So parallel combination, we have k equivalent k1 plus k2, and series combination we have 1 by k equivalent 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2. So on this we will solve example. So we have another spring here with 4 kg block, and we have k 10 Newton per meter. So K equivalent K1 plus K2 we'll get K1 and K2 we have 10 plus 10 we got 20. After that we will find series combination by K equivalent 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 and we will solve it, we will get 200 by 30. So 20 by 3 Newton per meter. After that we will go to our another topic, frames of spring. Reference of the frames of the spring. There are two type. Inertial frame of reference and non-inertial frame of reference. So inertial frame of reference are object object is at the rest and moving in constant velocity. It is frame of reference, and non-inertial frame of reference are observer is accelerating with the same acceleration. It is not inertial frame of reference. So now we will stop here. Thank you.